Good morning, students, and hope you all are well and doing good in your studies. So, today in our HCG2 class, we will study about one of the most important industry, that is iron and steel industry, and its distribution in the world. Iron and steel industry is a basic industry because all other industries depend upon it for their machineries. Now, most of the important industries like automobile industry, locomotive industry, railway sleepers, machineries, and tools industry, they all depend upon iron and steel industry. Let us see products which are manufactured with the help of iron and steel industry, like iron sheets, iron plates, iron wires, stainless steel products, steel pipes, and many more are there. Now we have this here we have automobile industry. What is an automobile industry? The industry which makes different type of cars, that is automobile industry. Now if you see in the picture, the body of car which is made up of iron and steel. So this is how iron and steel industry helps in manufacturing of automobiles. So like this, iron and steel industry also helps in manufacturing tools, defense equipments, etc. Okay. Next, we have requirements for iron and steel industry. This industry needs raw materials such as iron ore, coal, limestone, limestone along with labor, capital, market, etc. Fine. Now, what is the process of converting iron ore into steel? That involves various steps like this raw material is put into the blast furnace. Now, what is blast furnace? See, this is blast furnace where it undergoes smelting. Now, what is smelting? Smelting is heating at very high temperature. Okay. And here, blast furnace is a furnace in which blast of hot compressed air can be introduced from below, and such furnaces used chiefly to make mixture of iron ore, coke, and limestone. Now, what is furnace? Furnace is an enclosed structure in which material can be heated at very high temperature. So that is blast furnace. Okay. Now here iron ore, what is iron ore? Is a rock, that is a rock or mineral from which iron can be extracted. Okay. Now here we have this molten slag. Molten slag, that is a steel slag, or this is a byproduct of steel making, is produced during the separation of the molten steel from impurities in steel making furnaces. So this is process of converting iron ore into steel. Next we have distribution of sorry iron and steel industry in the world. Many of the countries in the world have developed iron and steel industry. Some of them have their own raw material and others used to import it from other countries. Fine. Now, first, sorry, let us talk about USA. In USA at Detroit in Michigan, iron and steel is an important center of automobile industry. Yes, this city is located on the Detroit River. Here, this is Detroit River and this is Detroit City. That connects, this Detroit River which connects Lake Erie in the south to Lake Claire in the north. This is Lake Erie in the south to Lake Claire in the north. The other leading producers of USA are Great Lakes region, Alabama region, Pittsburgh, Youngstown. Sorry. So these are major producers of iron and steel industries in USA. So now here in Europe we have, see, in Europe, United Kingdom, Sweden, France, Germany, Italy, Poland, Belgium, Austria, these are the leading producers. These are all leading producers of iron and steel due to availability of high grade iron ore, coking coal, water power, this water power transport, and facilities which these countries, these places are getting. So, what is coking coal here? See, here coking coal or metallurgical coal that is used to create coke. What is coke? Coke is a solid grey hard this porous fuel with high carbon content formed by heating coal in the absence of air. So that is being produced in that with the help of coking coal. Yes. Next we have in Russia, Ural region, that is Ural mountain region in Russia and Ukraine. These are the leading producers. Next, let us talk about India. In India, these are the topmost regions, countries of iron and steel in India. Here, Tata Iron and Steel Company located in Mumbai, Bhilai, Bhilai Steel Plant, which is in Chhattisgarh, Rourkela in Orissa, Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. So these are the major iron and steel industries located in India. Thank you.